Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create flashlight shortcut on iPhone 17 Air. I'm gonna show you 4 different ways to do this, and you can choose whichever you like the most. So the first way you can activate a flashlight shortcut is on your iPhone's lock screen. Here you can find the torch icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. To activate torch from the lock screen, you have to hold your finger down on this icon right here, and then hold it down again to deactivate this feature. To add it to your lock screen, you have to hold your finger down on your lock screen, then select Customize, then tap the minus icon next to the torch icon, and then to add it, press Add, then select Torch, and then select Done, and this way you can add a torch feature to your lock screen. The second place where you can use your flashlight shortcut is the control panel or the control center. To add it here, you have to slide it down, then hold your finger down on an empty space of your control panel. Then I'm gonna remove once again torch icon, then tap Add a control at the bottom of the screen, select torch from the list of items. You can also align it here by moving it through the other items, and to apply changes, just tap on the empty space of the screen once again. Then you can activate your torch right from here. The third way to activate your torch is by using double tap or triple tap feature, and to activate this feature on your iPhone you have to go to Settings, then scroll down to Accessibility Features, scroll down this list until you find Touch, and then scroll all the way to the bottom of the Touch menu until you find Back Tap. Tap right here, and then select either double tap or triple tap. Then select the torch feature on the list of actions, tap on it, and now to apply changes you just have to leave this menu. So right now if you double tap your iPhone, it will activate the torch, and double tap on it again will deactivate it. Now the last option is your action button, which is located on the left edge of your iPhone. To use torch from your action button, you have to go back to Settings, then find action button, and then select torch from the list of actions right here, and then just exit this menu to apply changes. Now to activate your torch you have to press the action button once and hold it down for a couple of seconds, and hold it down once again to turn it off. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.